Introducing the Fitbit Sense 2 Advanced Health in Fitness Smartwatch. Your ultimate companion for managing stress, improving sleep, and leading a healthier lifestyle. With its cutting-edge features in sleek design, the Sense 2 is more than just a smartwatch. It's your personal wellness coach. Experience all-day stress detection with SATA technology, and receive a daily stress management score to help you better understand and manage stress levels. Plus, with the ECG app, you can assess atrial fibrillation and receive notifications for irregular heart rhythms, keeping your heart health in check. Monitor your SpO2 levels and access a comprehensive health metrics dashboard for a deeper insight into your well-being. Take control of your sleep with personalized sleep profiles, daily sleep stages, and sleep scores, along with features like a smart wake alarm in Do Not Disturb mode to ensure you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Stay active and motivated with built-in GPS, workout intensity maps, and a daily readiness score to optimize your fitness routine. Track your activity throughout the day, monitor your heart rate 24/7, and choose from over 40 exercise modes, with automatic tracking for seamless workout sessions. Plus, with water resistance up to 50 meters, you can take your workouts to the pool or beach without worry. Designed for all-day wear, the Fitbit Sense 2 offers on-wrist Bluetooth calls, texts, and notifications, along with customizable clock faces to suit your style. Access convenient features like Fitbit Pay for easy transactions, Amazon Alexa for voice commands, and Google Wallet Maps. And that's not all. When you purchase the Fitbit Sense 2, you'll also receive a complimentary 6-month premium membership, complete with personalized insights and advanced analytics to help you reach your wellness goals. Take control of your health and well-being with the Fitbit Sense 2 Advanced Health and Fitness Smartwatch. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all updates.